So I woke up this morning and saw that I had this $197 commission come in last night. And that followed just a few days ago when I had this $48 commission and this $48 commission, and a few days before that, this $197 commission. Now all of these commissions are coming from a campaign that I set up earlier this year in January, and I can honestly say that I haven't touched it since. And so in this video, I want to go over this exact campaign, show you step by step everything that I did to set this up so that you can literally duplicate this exact system in any niche or with any program that you're doing affiliate marketing with. All right, let's dive in and talk about the program that we're using, the traffic that we're using, the whole system, and how it works. So the first thing we need to know is the program. And the program that we did this with is called Authority Hacker. And what that is it's a blogging program. You may or may not have heard of it. Let me know down below if you've heard of it, because a lot of people in my audience have actually taken this course. But what it is it's probably the most well-known blogging course out there. It's a high-ticket course that sells anywhere from $600 to $1,000. So this is my flagship product. And the way that I always say we should do it is you should pick one flagship product that's high ticket, and then you pick a few products that go around it, okay, that supplement that product. So you've got this audience that's interested in that core product, and there's probably a few more products that are maybe cheaper out there that they're also interested in. So those are your supplementary products that you can also promote. So for this campaign, we wanted to promote Authority Hacker, which is a blogging affiliate marketing course. So we know they're interested in blogging, and we know they're interested in affiliate marketing. So for our supplementary programs, we chose My Blogging Challenge, which anyone can promote as an affiliate. It's $100, and it's very similar to Authority Hacker, except it's a lot cheaper, okay? So we can take these people that may be interested in Authority Hacker, but they can't afford that price point, and instead we can target them with this $100 product that's similar. We also chose SiteGround, which is a host. Every blogger out there is going to need a host. We know that, so we chose SiteGround. We make anywhere from $50 to $100 for each person that we send to SiteGround. And then finally, we chose my own affiliate course, which anybody could promote. It's called Affiliate Secrets, and it's all about affiliate marketing. So all of our supplementary products are tied into our main product. Now, in terms of traffic, everyone knows I'm a huge fan of taking a different approach to traffic where we put a bunch of effort in up front, and then it's able to turn on like a faucet and just send leads day after day after day once we get it up and running. So for this campaign, we decided to do Google, which it takes a little time up front to get going with the Google blog, but once it's running, it just keeps on running. So this is what most affiliates do when they decide to start doing any kind of blogging. They create their blog, and then they go take these affiliate programs like SiteGround, Authority Hacker, and my course, and they go make a review. That's the first thing they do. I've seen it a dozen times, and you may have made this exact mistake when you got started with it all. They say, I'm gonna make a SiteGround review. So they take this brand new blog and they make this review of the host SiteGround, and it goes out there and it completely flops, okay? Because they're competing with probably hundreds of thousands of other major blogs that are also making reviews of SiteGround, and there's no way that they're going to take this brand new site and dominate these blogs that are out there that have much more clout than them. Okay, that would be exactly like deciding that you want to get into weightlifting, and on the first day of weightlifting, you walk up and try to lift up your car. So instead, what we did and what you should do is go for the smaller stuff, okay? The stuff that the big guys aren't really going for yet because it's maybe not quite worth it to them. So what I mean by this is we've got this program called Authority Hacker that's about blogging and affiliate marketing. That doesn't mean we have to just target people looking for Authority Hacker. There are tons of people that are trying to learn to blog, that want to learn to blog, that want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, that just aren't at this moment searching for that exact thing. Instead, at this moment, they're searching for something else. Maybe they're looking for some ideas for a website. Maybe they're just looking for some good affiliate marketing niches or some good affiliate marketing programs. All of these are signs that someone's getting into affiliate marketing, but they're not yet looking specifically at the course that you're trying to promote. But that means that you have a much easier time as a new blog getting these people, right? These people that are searching for these subsidiary words that aren't as competitive. So we did some research, and we're gonna show you how we did that, and we came to the realization that we could target people looking for affiliate programs. We could target people looking for specific affiliate platforms like Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, right? They're looking specifically how to do affiliate marketing on those platforms. And the way we do that is we use a tool called Ahrefs, okay? So we're gonna hop on the screen here, and just note this is a paid platform. It also has a trial that's only $7, and you can do everything we're talking about during that trial period if you would like. So we're gonna hop in, sign up for Ahrefs, and we're gonna use their Keyword Explorer right here, and we're gonna type in a couple things. We'll start just by typing in affiliate, okay? And of course, affiliate's very hard to rank for. That's like the very core keyword of what we're looking for. But we can go into these side ideas here, and we can say, hey, we want things that maybe have the word affiliate in them. Then it's got all these other things, right? We can say, oh, hey, people that are looking for Amazon affiliate marketing, people that are looking for affiliate marketing, affiliate programs. Okay, this is how we discovered affiliate programs. So we can click that and say, oh, are there people looking specifically for affiliate programs? They'll say, oh, yes, there is. Now, the next really important thing is we're going to go to keyword difficulty right here. We're going to say, hey, out of 100, I only want the top 15%, the easiest stuff to rank for, okay? Anything that's going from 0 to 15 out of 100 in terms of difficulty for ranking. It's going to say, oh, okay, look. And what do you know? We've got all these different things that affiliate marketers and aspiring affiliate marketers would look for that are much, much easier to rank for, okay? Even all the way down into the zeros, right? 0 out of 100, which is probably not totally accurate. Like, it's not that easy. But you can see here, there's low-hanging fruit. It's still the target audience for the affiliate programs that we want to promote. It's just much easier for us to get our blog and our content in front of these people.
What do you mean by these people?
So we decided to start churning out simple content based on this keyword research that we did. And you can see right here, if I go to site, buildapreneur.com, affiliate programs, guess what you're going to see? Recurring affiliate programs, list of affiliate programs for bloggers, lead generating affiliate programs. I need to go change that. Website builder affiliate programs, fashion affiliate programs, printing affiliate programs, luxury watches affiliate programs. There's literally dozens of articles, lingerie affiliate programs. I didn't even know we wrote that one. Preparedness affiliate programs, everything, right? We pumped out a massive amount of content specifically for this one type of person. Okay, now it took a few months, but then this content started to rank. It started, specific ones of these articles started to bring in traffic from Google as people would search this stuff. And so the next step was to actually take this traffic and move them through this system that will sell them these products that we want to sell. So the first way that we were able to convert this audience is just using pop-ups, okay? We made a simple lead magnet, a list of affiliate programs that were high paying, and then we offered it to them in exchange for their email, okay? Very, very easy. And then the second way we did it is we created a create a blog button that on a website it's a little harder to see, but if you look like this on a phone, you can see right here, it's very predominant when they first get to our website that they can create a blog. Those are the two ways that we're capturing people. Now when someone goes and clicks, hey, yeah, I am looking to create a blog, what does this button do, right? They click create a blog right here, and it's a very simple landing page where I say, hey, I will teach you in 7 days how to create a blog step by step. We're capturing the right audience here, right? We're using this broad method of bringing in people that are interested in affiliate marketing in general. Then we're capturing those specifically that are looking to build a blog, which is kind of what we're looking for with this core affiliate program, right? Once they click create a blog, they're taken to a simple page where they put in their email and go from there. So first, let's take a look inside of this training that they're getting and see how we're promoting it from the very first instant. So we're gonna type in a name here and SK Mecum right here. So as soon as they put in their email address, 1, we're going to start emailing them, but 2, it's time for them to start the course. And guess what the first video in the course is about? Hey, it's time to promote an affiliate program starting with SiteGround. Okay, so we promote this day 1. First step is this, signing up for this affiliate program right here. And if you go to the next video, guess what? They need to choose a theme. And guess what? We're going to promote Astra and make some affiliate commissions promoting Astra on the side here as well. Astra Pro is a paid theme for WordPress. We've already discovered this person is interested in creating a blog, so we can start promoting to them. But guess what? A lot of people that go to this page, right? They weren't actively looking to build a blog right at that moment. Like, that wasn't their goal, was to like start making a blog right now, today, this instant. And so we need to be cognizant of that. And so as soon as they put in that email address, there's a good chance they're going to leave and go back to that article or continue searching what they were originally searching for. And so we take this 7-day training that we're already training them on, and we email them the exact same thing. Okay, we have a day 1 email that sends them back to this first day right here. Okay, join SiteGround. We have a day 2 email that sends them back to that day 2 email. And for 7 days, we're assuming that they haven't made all these steps. So for every day, we're kind of trying to send them back to that initial page, to make some initial commissions off of these people. Once we're finished with that, okay, we're finished with the 7-day email sequence. We've done everything we can to kind of make those initial commissions off these people, the freebie offer, right? There's a few people that take up this offer, okay? They sign up for SiteGround, they start building their blog. That's exactly what they want to do. But this isn't where the majority of our commissions come from. Instead, we now have this audience of people that are interested in affiliate marketing, they're interested in blogging, they just haven't taken the steps yet to do that. And so we start sending more emails, okay? And this is when Authority Hacker comes in. Now for me, I send 3 emails that kind of prepare them for the right mindset of blogging, okay? I explain my affiliate marketing journey. I talk about passive income and how hard it is in this world. And then I talk about how the one way that I've been able to achieve it is by blogging, okay? So that's 3 emails where I kind of build up to that. I'm not selling anything. I'm just building them up to this idea that blogging is the way for them to be able to make passive income with affiliate marketing. And that's when I go into my core affiliate product, okay? Now I start promoting Authority Hacker, which is the product that I've really wanted to promote this whole time, but I've just been using this other stuff, this other content and these emails and stuff to get myself in the door, get myself established with them, and maybe make some commissions along the way. So we start pushing these Authority Hacker emails, right? Where we start selling them our core product. We know we've got the audience. We know they're interested in it. We just need to get them sold on the idea that this is the vehicle, right? That Authority Hacker is the best vehicle for them to achieve what they want, which is creating a profitable affiliate marketing blog. Now we're still not done. We haven't maximized how much we can make off of all these people that are coming through this system we've created, right? So now we take these people that we've hopefully sold on the idea of blogging, and then we tried to sell them this high-ticket blogging course. Well, guess what? A lot of people just weren't sold on that, or they just didn't have the money on that. So now we drop down, okay? This is a very important strategy where in their head, learning blogging costs $1,000, okay? And then now we say, hey, I actually have a $100 option you can take as well. This is a blogging challenge, step-by-step training on how to start your blog. But guess what? It's only $100. And guess what? People mentally say, oh, I really wanted that $1,000 one or that $600 one and I couldn't do it, but this is an opportunity for me to get in at a $100 price point. And it's very persuasive for someone to be thinking $600 or $1,000 and then see something that's $100 that's similar. So the final step of this puzzle is we drop down and we find a lower ticket offer that's very similar to our high ticket offer and offer them that. So this is a very broad affiliate marketing funnel, okay? We broadly put out content that's focused on affiliate marketing and blogging. We bring them in and then we establish and identify those that are really interested in what we really offer. We get those email addresses and then we start pumping them through this email system to prepare them and sell them these high ticket and low ticket products that are all very related to what they have identified as being interested in. You build this system and then all you've got to do is put out a piece of content once or twice a week and you'll get commissions like this, 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 and this every single month. Do not forget, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, you want to learn online business and how to make a passive income online, this is the channel for you to subscribe to. There's a button right there to do that. I'll see you on the next video.